Chamomile tea is renowned for its potential benefits in stress relief, making it a popular choice for those seeking relaxation. The connection between stress and the need for methods like chamomile tea lies in the soothing properties of this herbal beverage. Chamomile tea contains compounds that can help calm the mind and body, reducing tension and promoting a sense of calmness. By introducing chamomile tea as a natural remedy for stress relief, individuals can explore a gentle and effective way to unwind and alleviate the pressures of daily life. Chamomile tea possesses calming properties that can significantly lower stress levels by soothing the mind and body. The natural compounds present in chamomile tea have been known to aid in relaxation and contribute to an overall sense of well-being. By incorporating chamomile tea into one's daily routine, individuals may experience a reduction in anxiety and tension, leading to a more peaceful state of mind. The gentle and comforting effects of chamomile tea make it a popular choice for those looking to unwind and achieve a sense of inner calm. Scientific studies have delved into the potential of chamomile tea in managing stress, providing evidence to support its effectiveness in stress relief. These studies showcase the positive impact of chamomile tea on stress levels, highlighting its ability to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. By summarizing the findings of these research endeavors, we gain valuable insights into the implications of incorporating chamomile tea into our daily routines for stress management. The evidence-based support for chamomile tea as a natural remedy for stress underscores its significance in promoting mental well-being and overall emotional balance. To maximize the relaxation benefits of chamomile tea, it is important to prepare and consume it in a way that enhances its calming properties. Practical tips include steeping the tea for the recommended time to extract its full flavor and benefits. Additionally, incorporating natural sweeteners like honey can complement the soothing taste of chamomile tea. Recommendations on when and how often to drink chamomile tea for stress relief suggest enjoying a cup in the evening to unwind before bedtime or during stressful moments throughout the day. These simple yet effective tips can help optimize the relaxation effects of chamomile tea. In conclusion, chamomile tea emerges as a promising natural remedy for stress relief, thanks to its calming properties and potential to promote relaxation. By summarizing the key points discussed, we reinforce the connection between chamomile tea and stress management, highlighting its effectiveness in reducing tension and promoting emotional well-being. The gentle and comforting nature of chamomile tea makes it a valuable tool for unwinding and finding inner peace amidst daily stresses. In closing, the potential of chamomile tea as a soothing remedy for relaxation and stress management is underscored, offering a comforting and holistic approach to emotional balance.